All right, folks, this is what we got here. It's a 2016 certified pre-owned Honda Civic EX. We're going to go over this vehicle in detail today. You're going to love it. Let's start from the beginning. You'll notice, again, not only just a chrome accent, but the Hawkeye style just as well on the headlights. Again, it provides better visibility at night. You also have lane watch. So it definitely helps every time you hit the actual right turning signal. This will actually come on for you to show who's behind you, including your breakaway mirrors as well too. So it's kind of best of both worlds if you ask me. You'll notice here a little bit of a tint, sort of a privacy glass that helps the passengers in the back whenever the sun, things of that sort come into the vehicle. I'm going to show you a little bit about the trunk, see how much space you got to work with. Okay, folks, let's go from the back here. You'll actually see and notice, again, a lot of trunk space in this Honda 2016 Civic. You also notice, well, too, that the seats do fold down at a 60-40 split to create more room, just in case you're hauling such things as lumber. You'll notice underneath the spare itself. Let's come in the back. I want to show you about the passengers again. A lot of leg room back there, so you'll definitely be helpful. You'll notice the two cup holders as well too. When you come over to the front, there's some great things that I want you to be able to come and take a look and see during your test drive. Backup camera, dual climate control, again, lane watch, electronic braking system. I definitely want you to be able to come in and take a look at this. Okay, folks, again, finishing touches here. This is a 2016 Honda Civic EX. Okay, certified pre-owned, which comes with some great things such as warranties, complimentary oil changes, a lot of great things I like to go over with you. My name is Mike McKinnon. I'm here at Delaney Honda, located right across the street from Walmart, 115 Lenz Rd, Indiana, PA. Again, the number to reach me be 724-717-1500. Give a call in soon. Ask for Mike McKinnon. Let's take this for a test drive.